Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Let's start our lesson with the name of Allah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Students, today my topic is odd and even numbers. You have learned before the odd and even numbers. In the pattern of this, the objects we can count by twos are called even, and those who cannot be counted by twos, they are even. For example, you can see this set, we can count them by twos, 1 twos, 2 twos and 3 twos. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 is an even number. Next one, you can look, this group of sets we can also count by twos, 1 twos, 2 twos, 3 twos and 4 twos. Now you count these objects, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 is also an even number. Now come to our next set. When we count them by twos, 1 twos, 2 twos, 3 twos, 4 twos, one object remain there. So this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is not an even number. This is an odd number. Next set you can look here is 1 twos, 2 twos, 3 twos, one object remains. So count them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 is also an odd number. But today I will teach you about odd and even numbers by a new technique. Students, you look here, I have write down here only 5 digits, 0 2 4 6 8. In this technique, if you will learn only these 5 digits, then you will learn about even numbers. Because the definition of even is the number that can be completely divided by 2 are even numbers. When we read the table of 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. These 5 digits will be repeating in the table of 2. For example, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. You can look here, the digit on the one side are 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. Here are these digits are same of these 5 digits, 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8. So I will teach you very easy technique. You will always remember these 5 digits, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and also learn the definition of even numbers. The numbers that can completely divided by 2 are even numbers. You will easily find the even number. If we have a 5 digit, 8 digit or 9 digit, even 9 digit number, you will only see the digit on one side. If the one side digit is included in these 5 digits, that will be even number. And if it is not in these 5 digits, then it will be odd. Look at here on one side we have 3. 3 is not included in these 5 digits, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this whole number number is an odd number. Okay students, come to next number. Here you can look, on one side we have 0. 0 is, if we have found in these 5 digits, yes. So always when you look these 5 digits on one side, there should be a click in your mind. You will tell at once that this is an even number. Okay students? So we will see the number on one side, and with one click we will tell the whole number is an even number. Okay? Look at this digit. Last digit, what you have seen here is 4. With one click you will tell this is an even number, because the 4 is also found in these 5 digits. Okay? Look at here. Here we have 8 at one side, and 8 is also we have in these 5 digits, so it is also an even number. Okay?